Hey everyone, welcome back to the Future Feed. My name is Hinano, and today, guys, we are going to be talking about a project called Sylo and how it is tied to the Futureverse. And we're going to get right into it, guys. So let me share my screen and let's talk everything Sylo and see what this is all about. Now, guys, I'm going to try my best to explain it to you in the very simplest terms, so please bear with me. First off, guys, let's talk about the internet. You know how we use apps like Instagram or WhatsApp to chat and share photos or even play games? Those apps are controlled by big companies, kind of like Google, which means they decide how your data, like your messages or posts, is stored and used. And sometimes, guys, they even share it without you knowing, which kind of sucks. Now imagine a new kind of internet where you have more control over your stuff, like your messages and photos and even your digital collectibles. That's what Web3 is all about. And that's the new type of internet Web3 can bring. To make Web3 work, we use something called blockchain technology. Think of blockchain like a super secure notebook that everyone can see but nobody can erase or change. Every time you do something, like send a message or even buy a digital item, it gets written in this notebook and then it's locked in there forever. This makes things safe and trustworthy because no one can mess with it. That's the basic idea behind Web3 and blockchain technology. They basically pair together to give you control in a safe and open way. Now let's see how Sylo ties into this. Sylo is like a special app for this Web3 internet. It's a way for people to chat, share, and connect without big companies snooping or controlling everything. Imagine it as a super private, secure version of your favorite messaging app, kind of like WhatsApp. It's built to work in this new Web3 world. With Sylo, your messages and data stay yours, and you decide who sees them. It's all about giving you freedom and privacy while you explore this new type of internet. But Sylo does more than just messaging. It's part of a bigger world of the Futureverse, which is like a giant playground for Web3. We've covered the Futureverse in the last 2 episodes. Now, the Futureverse, that is a place where people can create, play games, and own your digital stuff. I'm getting repetitious, ain't I? It's basically a place where, you can build your own virtual worlds. It's a mix of games, apps, and creative spaces, all connected by this Web3 internet idea of you being in control of your stuff. Sylo is like the glue that helps people talk and share across all these different parts of the Futureverse. Whether you're playing a game, buying a digital item, or chatting with friends, Sylo makes sure that it's safe and private. Now let's talk about something called seekers. Seekers are these super fun, yet these little digital characters or avatars that live in the Futureverse. Picture a cool cartoon version of yourself that can dress up or take on adventures in virtual worlds. But seekers are more than just a cute character. They're also like little helpers that keep Sylo running. And here's how Sylo uses a network of computers to make sure your messages and data stay safe and fast. These computers are run by people, and the seekers are like digital badges that show someone is helping that network out. So if you own a seeker, you're a part of the team keeping Sylo's chats and connections smooth. You're a part of that network. And you might even earn rewards doing the helping hand as well. It's like being a superhero for the Futureverse, but also getting paid for it. So think about it. Why does this all matter? Well, Sylo, Seekers, and the Futureverse are working together to create a new kind of internet where you have the power over your stuff. Instead of big companies tracking you every move and everything that you do, Sylo lets you connect to things a little bit more privately. Seekers make it fun by giving you a character to explore this world, and they help keep everything running. The Futureverse ties it all together, creating a space where you can play, create, and own things like never before. It's like stepping into a digital universe where you're the boss, not somebody else. So in short, guys, Sylo is your key to chatting and sharing in this Web3 world. Seekers are just a fun way to help as an avatar to make it all work together. And the Futureverse is the big, exciting universe where it all happens. Together, they're building a future where the internet is more open, safe, and yours. And I think it's a really awesome thing that's going on right now. And I really am excited on where this stuff is going. I really hope this was digestible for you guys. I know it's very simplified. Some people say it's too simple, but you guys got to understand something. We are trying to make sure that this is simplified, to our audience. I really appreciate everyone for tuning in. Like I said, I want to try to keep this simple, keep it very short. If you guys have any questions, please put it in the comments down below. We're going to be covering more and more stuff about Futureverse in a simple manner. And then hopefully later on, on our sister show, Future Watch, we can go more in depth with this stuff. But for now, guys, that is kind of like the quick TLDR on Sylo and how they are tied to the Futureverse. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care and aloha.